So there's a few things for you guys.
Cheesy.
Go.
What do you do?
Go. Dismantle.
Okay.
Ravage.
Ooh. No, we need cream. Yum. Yum.
I didn't make a video, so this is Hayley and Jenny.
What's this? Fish snack? It looks like it's got sugar on it. It's cereal drink.
Yeah, it's got lots of sugar in it. I tried one last night.
It's cereal.
It's nice. I like it though.
Cereal drink. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, Eric's got mayo. Oh, these again.
Yeah, leave the mayo out.
Oh, cool. Eric's got one of these like
for miles only.
cereal drink. That sounds well strange.
That's collagen. That's a collagen 3-in-1.
Oh, it's a funny snack type thing.
You'll find toothbrush holders in there. They're yours.
Cool. Whoa. What's this? That milk tea.
Post-it notes.
Oh, like that. Oh, right. The panda's a bit too small though. Some purses. I think.
You remember those sweets, guys?
Yeah.
The fruit pluses.
It's awesome.
We remember them. Yeah.
Oh, cool. See? What does it say? What's it say in the back?
LA.
Oh, right, yeah, LA. Yeah.
Los Angeles.
So where should I get all these from? Crunky? Crunky?
She can't even pronounce it. Crunky, yeah.
Crunky? What?
She says that the name alone was worth buying it.
Has she not tried it herself?
Don't think so.
Oh, lavender white chocolate.
Yeah, sounds interesting, hey?
Lavender? Oh, I'm not too keen on lavender. What's this?
That's one of your toothbrush holders.
What?
It's one of your toothbrush holders. They open, they split. There you go.
Oh, that's awesome. And what you do to that? And then you close it and you put your toothbrush in.
You attach it to the ceramic tiles and then you open it up and put your toothbrush in.
Yeah, and then you close it and then just
close it.
Oh, that's so cool.
That's the Gleamy Bear one.
Which one am I having? Where do you get the right one?
Bagsy. Oh, you hear this? It's so British. The same Bagsy.
I hate you. I want that one. What's that? All raisins.
Oh yeah, that's mine. You can leave that alone.
No, it's mine.
No. You can actually put that down on my bed.
It's mine.
Just put it under my pillow.
Swift herb lozenges. Elderflowers. Instant.
Yeah, I just got me some cranberry ones on the table.
Instant. Yeah, I ain't eating it. Oh, it's a little character when you can make your own photo album.
What is it?
It's, you know when you can make your own cartons.
Oh, yeah.
No, you get
paper craft.
Photo album.
Yeah, for the camera that she's got.
Little one.
Getting.
Actually, fit all of this in.
From her. From her boyfriend. Huh?
Is it Shelley's?
Yeah, that's Shelley's.
This is awesome. She got you a hand flannel.
Adios.
She got you a hand flannel.
Yeah.
Hand
flannel.
Hand flannel.
Just flannel, Hayley.
Oh, I found a sticker. Can I stick it anywhere?
And you get those little purses as well. You picked up the little wallet card holders.
Is that blue one? Yeah. I get the blue one.
Yeah, so you get to choose. So that's basically, yeah, that's your lot.
Thank you. Thank you. And this is mine. Yeah.
She chose the blue one. Yeah. Okay, and that's it. And
See you soon.
give the present to Shelley. Go on, Jenny.
Oh, do you have to open it now?
No, just give it her.
Oh, I found it.
I'll take another video when she's
singing.
it.
Her handwriting is a bit... Okay.
It's a bit what?
Look, squiggly.
It's so squiggly. It's better than bird scratching.
Here you go. Happy birthday from Jolene.
Oh, thank you.
Shelley, I'm Jolene. See you on YouTube.
Oh, thank you, Jolene. On YouTube.
And that's a wrap.
And goodbye.